After the crackdown on color additives on various food products, be it kebabs or cotton candy, then the Karnataka government will soon start its crackdown on tea. And when we're talking about tea, we're talking about tea leaves especially, because what they're saying is when the tea growers are growing tea, the fertilizers that are being used, the pesticides that are being used, they are being used in high quantity, and that is affecting tea itself. And when the leaves are then roasted, even during processing there is more pesticides that are being used. Further, color additives are being used to bring the strength and color for the tea. And this is what they want to crack down on. What they have done is they have taken 45 samples across, especially in North Karnataka. Now why North Karnataka? Because that's the area and region where tea is consumed in larger quantities than the rest of Karnataka. South Karnataka is largely coffee drinkers, is what the health and the food inspectors have been telling News 18. So these samples that they've collected, they have found high levels of fertilizers and pesticides in it. These are harmful to health. Now if you see when the kebabs were being fried, or we're talking about cotton candy, the additive of rhodamine B and others are also carcinogens, which are cancer. They could lead to cancer and other kind of health problems. Now tea is something that is also turning to be unsafe. The whole idea of this whole drive that the health department and the health ministry, that is the Karnataka's health minister Dinesh Gundarao is saying, is to create a warning and also make people aware of leading a more healthier life. It is not just about taste, it's not just about color, it's not about adding things to make it look pretty, it is also about living a life holistically and more healthy. But I also like to talk to some people and ask them whether now with this kind of a drive that is taking place, what do they think about whether their health is safer, and would they think twice before taking that sip of tea? Do you feel, the fact is, they're talking about additives, they're talking about fertilizers being added, especially when the tea is being grown. When you drink your tea, a lot of people like to stand on the roadside dhabas, especially in the monsoon when the rains are down, one tea banta hi hai. So how does it feel, especially when you know that there's color additive there, or there's a fertilizer that could harm your health?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಕಲರು ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ದೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮೂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಲಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತೀವಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಆತಂಕ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು.
So he's basically saying that there is a fear, right, when he's drinking this, that when I'm taking that sip of tea that I know that now there are additives, that it's a health hazard for me. But there's also a point about tea growers and young people drink it, everybody drinks it. So this is health hazard to families also are getting affected.
ಹೌದು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರೇ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯವರೇ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಖಾಲಿ ಜನರು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆತಂಕ ದುಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಖಾಲಿ ಜನ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತನಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Don't be business oriented. That's what he's saying. Be health oriented, and that's why when they consume tea, he says when he consume tea or I consume tea, along with them, the family of these tea growers also consume tea. Think of your family as well. Think of the generations to come. आपको भी लग रहा है कि जब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि आपकी ये जो आप चाय के प्याली हाथ में रखे हैं, इसमें कलर भी एडेड होगा और फर्टिलाइजर्स जो लगा है, पेस्टिसाइड्स लगा रखे हैं, वो आपके हेल्थ को प्रॉब्लम कर सकता है.
हाँ, डर तो लग रहा है पीने में, लेकिन क्या बारिश का मौसम है, पीना ही पड़ेगा. हमें अच्छा लगता है चाय, तो उसके अंदर मिलावट है, तो गवर्नमेंट कुछ एक्शन ले इसके बारे में. क्योंकि यहाँ पे मिलावट कर रहे, कोई भी बोल सकता है कि मिलावट हो रहा है, लेकिन जहाँ से उग रहा है वहीं से मिलावट होकर आ रहा है, तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा लोगों के लिए.
So basically the issue is to root out the cause from the point where the tea is being planted by the tea growers itself, and this is the drive that the Karnataka government is trying to bring about. So the drive that they're saying is to ensure people live a healthy life, that they ensure that people live a life and they eat food which is not only healthy, that's not only clean, but something that is not poisonous. Because in today's world we have seen a large increase of number of cancer, especially amongst people, and one contribution, and this is not just the health experts saying, there's also people who are a part of the entire flying squads who work with people's health are saying that the large number of cancer patients that we are seeing also because of the additives that we've been having over the years. So the point is now that such drives are not to bring fear amongst people, but to make them more and more aware.